Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here is a miniature monument retail sign that would have lived on something up a shelf or display case for an Italian liqueur. So as you can see, it's a three-dimensional sign. Stands on its own using the Roman pillar type of look. It's cool. If you're into any kind of vintage advertising, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.